to the 5.2, talking about the file input output, or in short we call is the file IO, and it will have two parts. One is the open function in Python. It has the path, mode, and the encoding parameter, or the properties that you can set, and another is a context manager that we can do this from some samples. So let me create a file. It's a 5.2. So first we need to familiar with this open function, because when we move to the next part to open our Office file, we need to use this open function. So within the part 2, I have put our the 5.2. I put our test.txt file already, that we can use this to make that as our open. So let me have our file to create is a file open. So what we can do is we put this f equal to open, and then this is the file name that in the same folder. So we already have this text, and we first let's use R. So you can see you have R, R plus, R plus T, and if you go to here, you have the different options that you can. R is read, and we use the encoding is UTF-8 normally. So now we can run this. So you can see here we got some error. So no such file in directory. So test.txt. So but actually it is in the current file folder. So let's remove this. Open. Try open this with. Let's use this with W. Now it's okay, because if I want to read this, I need to have the prefix or something to do that. If I want to write, I can open that in this same folder. So it's also same to this. You can use this dot. So you got this no error coming. And for let's go to this one. First, I define this f. Then, if there's an error, then we can use what we learned the last chapter. Is we use a try exception, except use this exception SE, and we print file operation failed with our error message. And then finally, if not catch anything, if f is opened, then we close that. Then we can see here, if I want to open, nothing here, then let's make some the action. So I want to write hello, my name. So let's run this. So you can see here is a finished run, but it's not actually putting here on this file. Let me see here. I will go to another part, test, and file write lines, Python, Office. Let's run this. Let me close that and run. Let's open that. It's also not here. So I already closed this. So let's see this one. let me come to, oh, it's here. So it's actually on the terminal or the file. So as you can see here, so let's delete this. I will put here is our path is part 1, and then the chapter 5, and then 5.2. So here I have one predefined test. So let's see what's happened if I already have our test file here. If I run, then I open this. Now it's replaced by my by this content. So here you can see if you use the right lines, it will have our the enter. So if you use this and I run again, it will not enter. So let me see if I write or enter, what's happened. Now it's back to the another line. So that means it's a right line. Let's see the right line has any difference. So right line, if you want to save the element to hard drive, use right lines. And if you use write, you just write the string to the right lines. So then write is enough. Let me do this again. If I keep that open, let's see. So nothing. So good day as run this and open. So now my content is actually right into the file. So this at least you can use this open to process or make some control on the file in your operating system. And sometimes we will use our JSON, the standard way to write like some dictionary into the file. So let's test this file. So file write json.py. So we will import JSON package, and same as f is with our empty file, and then try f equal to open. So we make our another one test1.txt and use w to open and encoding equal to UTF-8, and then my dictionary equal to, with these curly braces, is A1 B 2 C 3. Let's see. So A1. So let me change this to English to see whether here has some. Oh yeah. So this looks like is A E. I did try whether I have some here I miss or want this code. So I just write our string with JSON dumps my bit. So we use JSON to explain the interpret of the dictionary. So then except we will throw the exception SE and print file processing failed. With error message E. Then we have finally if F is exist, then F close. Then we will see here. So nothing. So what we print? Yeah, let's see the test one. Write down is our dictionary here. So that is the way you can try this tool to practice how to write a file into your operating system. And then this we can also change the open. Use this R. R is the read. So let's try this again. We already have our test. Let's read our test. So let me put this file read. Then it's F. You can start from none. Then try. It's F. Let's practice this mode. So we have used this test txt. Now the option is R, and the encoding same is UTF-8. And then we have make a data to store the read. So F read. So that is just to read everything. Then we can print our data, and we have the except. It's exception SE. So that all those are same. If we have error, is file reading failed with an error. And then finally, so in this book is have some typo error. So if file is opened, then we close that. It's just to try to make that close. So we read. Let me save, and we read. So we got some error. I think F close line 1, line 10. So F dot close. So there should nothing as the parameter. So here we read everything, and let's comment this. Use the second one. If data is equal to F read line. So that is every time you read one line, so it read this line, and every time you just read this line, and read all the line equal store to our list. So let's test this data equal to F dot read lines. So that is the thing. You can see here every line store as a list. So there is a first line as a list, the second line is a list. So PS, so all line 1 and line 2 is now as the data list. So we can also print now data 1. So data 1 is because it's a list. So if you print that, is you print the second line. So then you have a sequence. If you know how many lines on your file, you can use this way to retrieve line by line. And then we will have something is if we have a big file, you can read this every time you read by some bytes, one by one. So that I don't write this in our sample, but if you really have a file, it's a big file, you can put this every time you read a partial a portion of your file, then this they will pop up is if data is read something is true, then print here is how you process, or if it's entered is empty, then inside this file is finished reading. So those are the ways you can keep read your file one by one. And then this, we just have this a little thing talking about this context, the, the managers with this with, because every time is when until now is we open a file, read a file, write a file, and we need to manually close the file. But we use this context manager, then we can let Python to close the file automatically for us. So with these keywords with open this, we read, then it's print that. After this, we will automatically close that. So let's run this context manager read file.py. So let's use with open test.txt with mode R and encoding equal to UTF-8. And then with this, we put this as F. And then what we do is data is equal to f.read, and thus we read everything, then we print data. That's it. You can see it's very simple. Then it's let me save this and run. You can see it's finished print, and then the file is closed. So you don't need to document how you can explicitly write how you close your file. And on this sample, actually the author is trying to let you know is this with or context manager is not so magic. You can also try to practice this one in your at your own. Through define some magic this method, you can also duplicate this context manager, because remember when we explain the magic method, we put this initial, open, new, and this end. Some magic method actually processing like a life cycle magic method. So from here, actually, you are try to duplicate those processing. So open, read, write, and then close a file. It looks like our life cycle processing. So that I just wanted to mention the simple thing for some preparation knowledge is when they come to the Office file processing, you need to know how to open, how to read, write, and how to close our file in the disk. So that's all for now. You can practice yourself a while. And the next chapter, we will discuss the module and the package. See you then.